GSM brands stemless wine glass that says on the side of it, surviving quarantine, one glass at a time. I bought this as a gift. My elderly neighbor, 85 years old, I called her yesterday to make sure everything was okay. She says, I gotta tell you, I dropped my wine glass on the kitchen floor, and she's elderly, she really can't bend down, she can't squat down, she has a hard time walking. That just shows that my package was delivered here. There you go, 2 little notifications from Amazon. So I said, you really need to have a plastic glass. You can't drink wine with glass anymore. It's too dangerous for you. And I got online and I ordered this thing right away. And when I went to visit her today to clean up all the glass off her kitchen floor, she said, I really wish that I had a plastic glass for my wine. She doesn't know that I ordered this and that I'm going to be bringing this over soon. If you like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. When you donate to my account, I leave an affiliate link in the video description. When you click on the links to order this glass, or when you click on any of the links, or when you click on the donate link, I get some money from that, and I take that money and I give it to people. I pay to buy gifts for people, just like this gift right now that she is going to get. And this says, surviving quarantine, one glass at a time. So, what's my opinion of it? It's Unbreakable. Triton plastic and dishwasher safe, 16 ounces. There's not really much to say about this. I think it's a cute glass. I don't drink wine. I'm totally anti-alcohol. But she drinks wine. She's 85. And maybe that's why she shouldn't be using a regular glass. So the glass was all over the kitchen floor. I went over there this morning. I cleaned up all the little pieces, all the shards of glass, all over the floor, and I even washed the floor. I washed the floor. The floor was probably hasn't been washed in a long time. Oh, my other package just showed up. Okay, so this is good. I'm going to go take this over to her right now. Life is good. Stemless wine glass for surviving quarantine. At home, made of unbreakable Triton. I don't know what Triton plastic and dishwasher safe is. Made by GSM brands. What else can I say? It's 16 ounces, but it's really a perfect size. This will be great for her. She has no idea this is going to show up. Thanks for watching my videos. Again, help me out so I can buy things and give things to lots of people out there. It makes their life better.